So here we are, fully loaded. When I'm saying fully loaded, this is the complete package set from the NT1100 on the Honda Transalp. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, a bit heavy on the back, especially there's nothing in the bags. But that notwithstanding, I actually quite like the way this is working out. The top case I thought would be much bigger, but actually the top case looks just fine in proportion to the side bags on this Transalp. You see also that it fits. It's that's the reason, by the way, why the Transalp has the lower exhaust, because Honda needed to fit the same luggage solution on the Transalp than on the NT1100, and maybe other bikes, but those are the two I'm thinking of. Now let me show you what it takes to put bags on your Transalp. And the first thing you need is this little piece here, which is attached to the back foot pegs. This gets to hold. This is the one piece, and the other piece is this one, and you can see where it's fit here with 2 screws, and that's enough to fit the side bags. Close it and done. Okay, people said to me, well, this looks pretty close. Well, it is close, but it fits, it doesn't move. So from this side works fine. For the top case, trying to look at the top case together, you need to do the same basically, except that the top case doesn't fit the normal baggage holder. You need to get the extra plate, fit it with 4 screws and the plastic bits here, and once you have this installed, the top case will fit, as you see here. Actually quite well done. You see this metal lock here, check, fits in, goes, done. Okay, for those who haven't seen the bags from inside, there's not much to say. Quite big bags and saddlebags. But this is all for this video. Enjoy the view basically. I think I wouldn't mind doing a traveling like this, because it feels comfortable, it looks okay, and yes, obviously if you're off-roader, you want nylon panniers, you want other solutions, but for a more pure on-road experience, color matching looks just great.